a Sichuan Peppercorn Cosmo. This is basically a classic Cosmo, except I'm using pomegranate juice instead of cranberry juice, just because we got it in the fridge and I think it's tasty. You think it's tasty?
I love it. I love that you're making it with Sichuan pepper. That'll be perfect for takeout, for our mushu.
It shall be. So we're gonna do,
The mushu's getting cold, honey. You gotta get this together. Come on.
doing vodka, 1.5 ounces. Pomegranate juice, like I said. Lime juice, freshly squeezed, of course, about 3/4 ounce. Simple syrup, about, I don't know, 1/4 ounce or so. And Cointreau.
Any orange flavor liqueur, though, right?
Right, yeah, this is an orange flavored liqueur. You could use Curacao,
Cabernet.
Grand Marnier, if you're
Triple sec.
fancy. Triple sec will work. This is what we got. So that's basically what you got in your classic
Where's the pepper?
Cosmo. I'm getting saving that for the grand finale.
Oh, okay.
So our friends Lior and Cappy made the spice blend for us, which is basically a combination of cinnamon and Sichuan peppercorns, which is the pepper that makes your mouth all tingly.
Makes your lips look like really full.
Right, makes your lips all
You
like
can get it in
numb.
the regular grocery store, though, right?
Yeah, you can get that in the regular grocery store.
I have ground and whole peppercorn. You're making a spicy, sweet pink cocktail,
Yeah,
basically.
I'm shaking. I'm shaking like bacon.
You shake well.
Here's my close-up of shaking.
It's an action shot.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
It's very pretty.
And I think it's tasty as well as pretty. And now, in sticking with the whole orange theme, I'm gonna garnish this with an orange twist, which is also, I think, a
Beautiful.
pretty classic Cosmo-ish thing to do. And there we have our Sichuan Peppercorn Cosmo.
Wow, isn't that gorgeous?
Cheers to you,
Cheers, everybody.
and cheers to you.